None other than Neil Pride. High five. Woo! No. Give the big ones too. Can the boys carry the big trophy? Don't drop it on Neil's toes. This one. Please grab the big trophy for the press and everybody. Yeah, that's the same. They got the big trophy. They're the winners, and the chairman will present. It is the same. Yeah. Take the big one. Take the.
To the big fella.
All right. And the boys can display the big trophy.
Can't see you behind
All right.
that ox.
All right. They are actually defending champions. And defended it well.
Pwede sa baba na lang siguro, Ansel. Baba na lang,
Oh,
natatakpan sa dito.
Oh, 2010 winner. 2011 was Jude's. Chairman? Yeah, okay.
Good idea.
Would you like to
Ganun talaga ng PR. Siyempre.
There you go.
All right, let's have a bit of space here.
This is like the Olympics. You see, they have medals too.
Well, come on.
All right.
Wacky.
High five. Victorious. That's the way it should be. Congratulations, Neil. Neil, would you like to say a few words? All right.
I'd like to, on behalf of all the competitors here, express our appreciation for a fantastic week sailing. I think this is an event that merits a lot more support from Asia than what it's currently getting. It's a fantastic place to sail. Hospitality here is also fantastic. We all had a great time. We would just like to see a lot more boats here in future. But we'll be back. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's that?
It's more fantastic than Subic. Sailing is more fantastic.
Okay. Sailing is more fantastic than Subic. According to these guys.